In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge clips in CapCut PC. If you want to combine multiple chopped-up video clips, text layers, or overlays into one single block so you can manage them more easily, this is one of the simplest tools to use inside CapCut. Merging clips this way is especially helpful when your timeline starts getting crowded and you want to edit several elements together instead of adjusting each one individually. To begin, head down to your timeline where all your video, text, and audio layers are displayed. The first thing you need to do is select the group of clips you want to combine. One easy method is to click and hold on an empty area of the timeline, then drag your cursor to create a blue selection box around all the separate clip pieces, text items, or audio blocks you want included. As you drag across them, CapCut will highlight the selected items so you can clearly see what is being chosen. If you prefer a more precise approach, you can also hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each clip one by one. This is useful if the clips are spread apart or if you only want specific items included in the merge. Once selected, they should all show a bright outline, confirming they are active and ready for the next step. After that, move your mouse over any one of the selected clips in the timeline. Right-click once to open CapCut's context menu directly over your editing area. This menu gives you quick access to actions you can apply to the selected elements. Now it's time to perform the merge. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Create Compound Clip and click it once. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, you can do the same thing by pressing Alt and G. As soon as you use that command, all of the selected timeline pieces will be combined into one unified block. At that point, the separate elements are no longer sitting there as scattered pieces. Instead, they become a single compound clip that you can handle much more efficiently. You can move it around the timeline, resize it, or adjust its speed just like you would with a normal individual clip, which makes organizing and editing a lot smoother. And that's it. By selecting your clips, opening the right-click menu, and using Create Compound Clip or the Alt+G shortcut, you can quickly merge multiple items into one clean, manageable block in CapCut PC. You're all set.